Hey everyone, Tian from Handy Solutions here, giving everyone an update on the basement project in York region. We have all the materials needed for the subfloor and floor insulation already in. Spend some time moving that, and right now for the taping, we're working on all the horizontal seams. So you can see this one, other than this little gouge here, is pretty smooth. And the vertical seams are a little rough. So we're just working on all the horizontals right now, the screw holes, and the vertical seams will come after. As you can see over here. Now the playhouse will be a little challenging because this is a basement, so this mud doesn't like to dry. I have a spot over here by the front door. It's been 2 days and it's still wet. So when I was sanding it, like it just happened. Like even right now, you can see it's still a little soft to the touch. So we're just going to work in tandem, do some floor, do some wall, and the bathroom's coming along great too. So yeah, catch you guys next time.